Hello, this is G-Man. Welcome to a Minecraft video and the Treehouse series. In last video, we made the base, and yeah, we just play with their cat, technically. And yep, that's pretty much it. So, let's see. A sign. Oh, T-Marai, jeez, you scared me. You're back.
Yep, I'm back from getting some supplies.
Really? Ow. So, did you get anything good?
Yep.
Do you have another diamond?
Sure.
Thank you. Wait, where'd you get all those diamonds? Little snitch.
I got a bunch of diamond blocks.
A bunch of what?
Diamond blocks.
But aren't those like really hard to make?
Yeah, I just wanted to make them.
Okay. Oh, dang it, thought of save. Okay, so I'm not sure what we're going to be doing today. But I do know it's going to be something fun. Ooh, jeez. So, what are we going to do today? We can explore, we can do whatever we want. Maybe we can go exploring with our new cat. Ouch. Dang it. Hey, what's that? Something's going on here, and I'm gonna find out what. Okay, so maybe if I jump on. Aha! Really? Our cat made a cat base. It even has a scratching post. Well, it needs that. Oh man. Maybe we can add more onto this. That's what we should do for this video. We should add more onto his tiny little base. Aw, dang. That couldn't be good. Okay, I just totally fell, and now I'm starving. Just gotta get cake. Must. Sprint, 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 sprint. Ooh, cake. Nobody knew it was me.
Well, I did.
Yeah, because it's on video. Okay, I'm back up. Now let's get supplies to make onto your tiny little cat base. So, we might need some white wool. We might need some of that. Some white wool.
Diamond blocks.
We might need some...
Diamond blocks?
No. We're not animals, dude. And we might need some poppies.
Well, our cat is.
That was actually a pretty good point. Yeah, now you made it angry.
Technically, you are.
No?
You're a fox, remember?
How do I... Dang it. This is so hard to do.
What in the world is that?
I'm trying to dye this block. Or whatever.
Can't dye it. Can't dye a block.
Dang it.
Can't dye a block.
Are you sure? Because I think I can. Okay, that plan ruined. Okay, so I guess we won't be adding on to the cat base. I mean, we will, but we won't. If you know what I mean. We won't be adding on much, but we might go there from time to time. That could be like the hangout place. Yes, we know. Meow meow. We get it. Okay. So maybe.
Hey, G-Man.
What's up, T-Mart?
I jumped and look where I landed.
Time to eat my way down. I mean, ow! What was that? I think a skeleton shot me. A skeleton shot me.
Well, I'm jumping down to the river.
Oh, I think you're behind. Bo? Really? Do you think this is some kind of joke? Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. I think our cat's a monster. Stay away from him. Well, this is the end of the video, and we'll see what's next.